강한 태풍. 강한 태풍. What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is taepung, because today on One Korean Word a Day, we are going to study about the word taepung. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 188. Taepung. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is te, the second syllable is pung. Pronounce it with me. Taepung. Taepung. The word taepung is a noun which actually pertains to typhoon. Again, taepung is the Korean word for typhoon. How do we write taepung in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the two syllables. To be able to write the syllable te in Hangul, we need to draw first a t character followed by the e character. For the second syllable pung, we need to draw first a p character followed by the u character followed by the iyong character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word taepung. Now let's try to look into this example English phrase. It says, strong typhoon. Again, it says, strong typhoon. The Korean translation of this phrase is 강한 태풍. Again, it's 강한 태풍. The first part of the sentence is 강한. This is a Korean adjective which means strong. The second part of the phrase is 태풍, and this is our word for today, and we already know that it means typhoon. So if these two are combined, it would result to a phrase that means strong typhoon. Again, it's strong typhoon. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase 강한 태풍 is simply a strong typhoon. And with that, you've just learned taepung. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 178 to 187. But don't forget our word for today, word number 188, taepung. And this is the Korean noun for typhoon. The first word for our review is word number 187, 왔어요. And this is the past tense of come, which is came. Word number 186 is 피곤해. This is an adjective which means tired. Word number 185 is 저거, which means that. Word number 184 is 이거, which means this. Word number 183 is 영어, and this pertains to the English language. Word number 182 is 한국어, and this pertains to the Korean language itself. Word number 181 is 여러분, which means everyone. Word number 180 is pizza. This is a loan word which pertains to pizza. Word number 179 is 싫어, which means I hate it. And the last for our review is word number 178, hana, and this pertains to the number 1 of the native Korean numbers. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.